On the BioSpeed vacuum cleaner, I found 3 places where it usually gets plugged. One's in head, in the extension tube, and at the beginning of the filtration system. I'll start with the vacuum head. First remove the brush. Then the plug can either be right at the intake or it can be in the back sometimes. Reinstall the brush, cleaning off any excess hairs, dirt. Then we're going to move on to the extension tube. The extension tube, remove it. A lot of times you can see the plug. Just use a screwdriver. Sometimes you might need something longer to get the plug out. Once you look through the tube to make sure it's clear, you can move on to the filter. Typically, it's the beginning part of the filter. Remove the filtration bottom, and you can pretty much see it right in the neck. You can push it through or pull it out. Reassemble. And your vacuum should be good to go. If you have further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.